Start recording. Stop recording button.
Hey everybody, it's me here on the Decoration Film 1000 channel, and today what I want to show you guys, this right here is actually an item by the company Sound and Light, and actually this thing's really awesome actually. But this is either a moose or a reindeer. I don't know which one it is, but this is either an animated moose or an animated reindeer. Now I'm not sure which one this is, but he's very big. Like, I did not expect him to be this big. He's pretty big actually. So I'll kind of give you guys his details. So if I go up the top, he has his big antlers. They're really long. And then he's got a Santa hat on with a little tassel hanging down. On the front, he's got his eyes, the big nose, the mouth, which is actually movable, which it does move, a scarf. He's got a very big stomach, and he's got very, very big feet as well. He's also got, his right hand is smaller than his left hand actually. His left hand is a lot bigger than his right hand. I don't know why, but his left hand is way bigger than his right hand. But yeah, he sings 3 songs. He sings Wish You Merry Christmas, Jingle Bells, and Deck the Halls. And yeah, now that I showed you all his details, I'm going to show you him in action now. And if you've seen my friend Sawyerborn's video on the animated reindeer head, you'll know this recording, except it's pitched a lot higher. Like, if you've seen the video of Chris Benson, the animatronic collector's reindeer head video, yeah, it's basically pitched up like that. It's the same pitch. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get him going here and show you all the songs. And just so you know, when you hear the songs, you're gonna hear some clicks, but that's just from the hands and the mouth moving, and oh yeah, and also the head moves from side to side. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you all the songs now. Oh yeah, one more thing. He would fall over when I had him sitting up, so I had to literally put my Rock Along Santa battery pack in front of him to hold him up, because he would fall very easily. But now that I put that in front of him, he stays right up, no problem. So yeah, let's go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead now and get him in action so you can hear how awesome he is. He's really high pitched too, like I said. So let's go ahead and let's go ahead and get him in action. Alright, now when I play Deck the Halls, you're going to notice it's, Deck the Halls, unlike the reindeer head, on this animatronic, it's kind of sped up a little bit more, so you'll see what I mean. Now I'll tell you guys, after I didn't buy the reindeer head last year, I really regretted it. Wish I would have. But yeah, I'm so glad I really found something with this audio, because I just love this audio right here. Like, it's just awesome. And like I said, the hands move, the head moves side to side, and the mouth moves. So yeah, he's just really awesome. I'm glad to have something with that recording. I mean, with these recordings, because like, I wanted it so bad. I didn't think I was gonna find one, but then I ended up finding something with this audio. So that is just awesome. Thanks to my friend Carl Corporations, because I told him how desperately I wanted something with this recording, and he very nicely looked on eBay for me and found this, and I'm very grateful that I'm very grateful that he did. Now, I was supposed to get this yesterday, so I was gonna do this. I mean, Friday, but I was gonna do this video Friday, but fortunately, that didn't happen because the mail delivery person that was delivering it got confused. She was subbing, and she forgot that, and she didn't know that she had a package to deliver here, so it didn't get delivered yesterday like it was supposed to. It ended up getting delivered today. So yeah, like I said, I really love this audio. I mean, he's just awesome. So yeah, that's really all I have to say. I mean, he does have an on and off switch on the bottom. But yeah, before I let you guys go, I'm just gonna go ahead and play all 3 songs one last time, and then let you guys go. Oh yeah, he has a scarf around his neck too. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and play you guys all 3 songs one more time, and then after that, we'll end the video. So here we go. Now, as you can tell, the speaker actually isn't as distorted as the reindeer head speaker. I mean, it's not distorted at all, actually. The reindeer head speakers can tend to be little distorted, depending on the pitch you get, which the higher pitch ones are not distorted, which is crazy, but that's the way they are. So let's go ahead and play the last 2 one more time. I love this version of Jingle Bells, so here we go.
Don we now our gay apparel, la 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 la.
Alright, there we go, guys. Yeah, this thing, like I said, this thing is just awesome. Like, this thing is just, I love this. Like, can't get any better than this. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video now. But before I do, I'm gonna go ahead and play that version of Jingle Bells one more time because it's so awesome. So yeah, peace. So, thank you all for, thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video, and, yeah, peace out, everyone.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Alright, thank you guys for watching this video, and again, I just want to say, hold on, guys. There we go. Okay. I just want to say, thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I just want to say, before we go, a very big shout out to my friend Carl Corporations for helping me find this, because I even told him, I was like, dude, seriously, I'm like desperate for something with this recording, and sure enough, he found this on eBay. And yeah, basically, like, oh yeah, another thing I find funny is, on eBay, the seller actually called this a bear, a teddy, which is a bear, and this thing is not a bear. This thing is a moose or a reindeer, because it has antlers. This thing is not a bear. I don't know where they got, perhaps the big nose, maybe, but I don't know where they got bear from. It's kind of funny, actually. So yeah, we're on the last song here, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna
Stop recording button. Speech off.
Alright. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna play this last song, and after the song I'll end the video. So once again, big shout out to Carl Corporations again, and for helping me find this. And yeah, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys very soon. Peace.
Dance the halls with boughs of holly, la 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 la, la la la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, la 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 la, la 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel, la 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol, la 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 la. Deck the halls with